Recently, I've been seeing so many posts online from hairdressers and people who care about you alike, telling you not to cut your bangs at home, no matter how bored or desperate you become. I'm just like, here's a compilation of every time I have cut my bangs by myself at home. Enjoy!
What up, homies? Girl, are these lip fillers? No, it's just lipstick. Cause I'm going to massacre my brand new beautiful baby that I'm so in love with. I want to cut bangs, so I'm doing it on my wig just in the event that you may want some bangs.
I think this thing needs a fringe. I mean, what is there to lose, you know? Even shorter. I mean, I don't know about you, but I feel really freaking cute. I'm freaking in love with this look. This is my favorite kind of bangs. If I had to have bangs, like, on myself, this is what I'd do. Oh, this is gonna be fun. We're getting there, gang. Hi. Like that, we went from boring to fun. For it. We do what we can. Ooh! Ooh! This one just makes me look French. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unboring your boring hair. The option that if you don't want to dye your hair, you do something else to it. I see like a lot of things online, top 10 things to not do at home, and it's like, don't cut yourself a fringe, don't do this, don't do that. So today we're going to prove everyone wrong, and we're going to cut ourselves a fringe. Obviously, it's sticking out everywhere. Nobody panic! We could have a 2009 Demi Lovato moment. Oh, even this is cute. Look at my cute ponytail moment. Oh, this is a cute look. Get some bangs. Cheerleader Stella is here. How much hair do I actually? Let's go wider. You need to be wet. What are we doing? I'm scared. Cute! Fashion. Anyways. I kind of like it. Oh, I feel like a completely different person though. Time to fix things. It is so weird. Look at me. No, I look like a French artist. All I need. Wow, I'm hot. Boom, baby, we got a fringe. Hello, ponytail. You have to be very careful when cutting a fringe for yourself because you definitely do not want it to part in the middle. So you have to check if your hair is malleable or not. But I'm gonna go ahead and assume that my hair is perfect for bang cutting. So just parted my hair in a sort of semicircle thing. So from one end of the eyebrow kind of to the other. Nice. I am digging this so much. Oh yeah. I'm going to be cutting a curtain fringe over myself by following a hair cutting video on Instagram. Where's my parting? Oh my god. It's fine, I totally know what I'm doing. Oh my god, I'm not wearing glasses. Is that fake? It's okay. This is like the start of every single fail video of a fringe. I'm living for this look. It took me a little while. Now I can't see anything, so that was a stupid idea, but anyway. Triangular shape. I freaking love this. I still got it. Angling this down because I want this to be long. That did nothing. Oh, this definitely needs styling. Okay, definitely needs styling. Before anyone roasts me yet, because trust me, that's what I feel like doing to myself. This is it. This is the look. This is my leather shirt. Stella, why is this a bangs video if you've got no bangs? I haven't cut them yet. This is it. This is the style of the future. Boom! I feel very Lady Gaga-esque, but also kind of cute. Great, so now that we've got bangs, it's time to kind of style them. Stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Also, if you do cut your hair and then eventually you'll go back to your hairstylist, please do not tell them that I was the one that encouraged you to do so. Great, thanks.